Welcome to YeetCommerce.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication in the dashboard for YeetCommerce. Step 1. First, log into the dashboard of the YeetCommerce.com and click on the profile icon in the top right corner. This will open up your profile page. On the profile page, you'll see a section for two-factor authentication. Click on the checkbox to enable it. A pop-up will appear showing a QR code. Open up the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device and scan this code. This links the Authenticator app to your YeetCommerce account. Enter this code into the QR code pop-up and click the Authenticate button. You should see a success message that two-factor authentication has been enabled. Press the subscribe button and feel free to ask any questions, and we'll be happy to help you.